Welcome to 8th program of the software testing. Right? Design, develop code and run program in any suitable language to solve the commission problem. It can be analyzed by the perspective of decision table approach. Derive test cases and execute these test cases and discuss the results. Right? The same code what we have implemented so far for the boundary value analysis and the equivalence class testing. The same code has to be implemented here also, but the test cases has been derived using the decision table approach. Right? Decision table approach that contains mainly two parts. One is conditions and the other one is an actions. The actions to be performed based on the conditions. Right? Then the commission problem that includes mainly three variables: logs, stocks and the barrels. We have to take some of the random inputs here. Depends on this input we have to derive the test cases using conditions and the actions. Right? Then first we will discuss about this output test cases. Then we have to derive some of the rules. Rules are nothing but the test case IDs. Right? We have to mention here is an R1 up to R6. These are the test case IDs. Log, stocks and barrels are the inputs for the commission problem. Right? We have to derive the expected output and the actual output. Right? Then here the logs has the value in between 1 to 70. Stocks has the value in between 1 to 80. Then the barrels has the value in between 1 to 90. Right? Then for the first case ID, that is R1, the logs has the value 65, that is within the range 1 to 70. Stocks has the value 1 to 80, but here we have taken 82. Barrels has the value 1 to 90. Right? Then in this decision table approach, there are some conditions has been given. Based on the conditions, actions to be performed. Right? If either C1 or C2, C3 that doesn't hold it, then no need to check C4, C5 and C6, because these are nothing but the values those are assigned to the particular variables. Logs has the value in between 1 to 70, stocks has the value in between 1 to 80, barrels has the value in between 1 to 90. If any one of the condition, either C1 or C2 or C3 that doesn't met, no need to check these condition, then we can say that is an invalid cases. Right? Then see, for the first input 65, 82 and 90, first we have to check this condition. 65 in between 1 to 70, this is true, but here 82 is the stocks value, but the condition mentioned here is in between 1 to 80, this is false. No need to check this condition. If any one of the conditions C1 or C2 or C3 doesn't hold good, then the action to be performed there is an invalid. Right? Similarly, for the next two, logs has the value 75, stocks has 72, then barrels has 85. Logs is out of range value, stocks is within the range, barrels is within the range. Right? Then for this case, C1 has the value 75, this is not in between 1 to 70. Then R2, the first condition itself false, no need to check all these condition. Right? The action to be performed there is an invalid. Right? Then see, for the next case, 53, 65, 95. 53 and 65 within the range, 95 is exceed the range of the barrels, because barrel has the range in between 1 to 90. Right? First two are true, then for the next this is a false. No need to identify this. The action to be performed is an invalid. Right? See, if all these conditions are true, then based on this we need to check the sales value. If the sales value that exceeds 1800, right, then the salesperson gets the 20% of the commission. If sales value that exceeds 1000, in between 1000 to 1800, then the salesperson gets the commission there is a 15%. If the sales value that is less than or equal to 1000, right, then the salesperson gets the commission 10%. Right? For that case, see, for R4, 55, 65, 75, logs has within the range, stocks has within range, and the barrels has also within the range. Then all the values are true. See, all three conditions are true. Right? Then we need to identify the sales value. Depends on the sales value, right? We need to check the which action to be performed, how much commission a salesperson has gets, right? See, the sales value is 6,300. First it checks this C4. Sales value 6,300 greater than 1,800. Yes, the condition is true. How much the commission salesperson has gets? 20%, right? Where is it then? 20%. This is here. The action to be performed there is a salesperson has gets 20% of the commission. Got it? Clear? Right. Then similarly R5 12 13 13, all values within the range, that is all the conditions are true, right? Total sales value he gets is 1,255. See, it checks this condition. Sales value, that is 1,225 greater than 1,800, that is false, right? Sales value 1,225 greater than 1,000, yes, the condition is true, right? A salesperson has gets 15% of the commission. Where is it? Here. Similarly, for the next values are 6, 5, 6 and 7. Total sales he gets is 580. Checks this condition. 580 greater than 1,800. No, the condition is false. Sales value greater than 1,000. The condition is false. 580 which is less than or equal to 1,000. Yes, the condition is true. Which action to be performed? He gets the 10% of the commission. This is the deriving the test cases for the inputs for the commission problem. Right. Thank you.